kind of hung up about 200 yards away or so in the bottoms, and we don't think they can hear us with the wind that's going on. So what he's doing is walking about 100 yards that way, gonna call to him, hopefully we can get him to respond, and then we're gonna move back. He's gonna come back here, and hopefully we can pull him to us. So he's calling right now. Alright, these birds are way far on the neighbors, so we're gonna go hit some other parts of the farm up and see if we can get one to gobble before the rain gets here. It started raining a little bit, but not too bad, so we're gonna make a move. Alright, so we just circled the whole farm calling down a bunch of ridges and everywhere else, all these gas lines, and we got nothing as far as gobbles, so we made it back here all the way to where we started, and as we were setting up just to take a break and sit for a couple hours, one hammered down the hill below us, so he should be coming up this field road and or this gas line. It should work out perfect. Looks like three jakes.
gobble like a man, you get treated like a man. I wasn't gonna shoot it, but I was like, you know what? This is a good time. Hey, 2 for 2.
2 for 2. All we need is one day.
Hey, you can't beat that. That was fun. They come right to him.
Yeah, they came right.
I wasn't gonna shoot him for the longest time, but man,
They came
I
right
couldn't
right.
stand it.
See you boys later next year.
Yep. Well, just sit here and enjoy it for a little bit. That was a fun morning. We walked. How far did we walk?
I don't even want to talk about how far we walked.
We walked all the way from the front to the back to the front, then through the whole farm, and just to get right back where we started this morning, standing right there.
Yeah, we probably could have killed him if we would have stayed in the blind.
Yeah, we set the blind up, or we're gonna set it up.
Language, and I'll get that in.
What you doing?
He's over to TJ to help him get his dog cart fixed.
Nice.
What you doing, buddy? You got your bird yet?
Oh yeah, 10 o'clock floppage.
Yes. Did you get a nice gobbler?
I mean, yeah, I guess you could technically say that. He's a male turkey.
Well, hey, that's what counts, ain't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it was 3. He gobbled good. He hammered. I waited. They come in the decoys, 3 of them. I waited and waited because he gobbled good. And I never saw another one coming, and I said, "This is too much fun." Well, hey, that's more gobblers for somebody else.
Hey, what is it, a Jake?
Yeah, that's a nice one though. He's got a nice long beard. About
Oh,
what do you think? About 5-6 inches?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Look.
Hey, meat's meat. You can't fry the beard.
Yeah, he come out right where the condo is at when you were up here.
Yeah,
I set up in the same spot where I called you last year and shot that one.
yeah. Well, you know, if they gonna act like a man, you gotta treat them like a man.
That's exactly what I said. I waited. I ain't never waited that long to shoot turkey in my life. I was debating, and I was like, you know what? Ouch. Oh. Pretty good sized bird. For his age. Look at the head on it. Yeah, I saw that. Brown. I was like, oh, maybe he's got beard rot.
That's pretty
Nope.
cool.
Jakey fan. Actually works out because my decoy has been looking pretty rough. I need a fresh one.
There you go.
Can't beat it. Back-to-back years. We got, that's 4 opening days in a row for me, and back-to-back years we shot one together. So
That's pretty cool. You got a big old head on him.
I know.
Jeez.
It's actually a pretty good sized bird. Yeah, for real. Decent beard.
Is that what they call it?
Yeah, like usually when it looks brown like that, beard like the one I got last year in North Carolina had half his beard was real brown like that and was rotted off. So he had like a 4-inch half beard and the other was 10 inches.
You put a couple on his head there.
Yeah, look at that. I don't know if you want to video it,
Yeah, that'll usually do it. Good amount of blood, that'll do it.
Well, I guess I know what I'm eating for dinner.
Yep. I'm gonna come over and get some of that too.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So we got one more Illinois tag. I'll be hunting with Ethan next weekend. Or no, this Saturday. So Saturday, Ethan, and the following Wednesday, go to North Carolina for 5 days, I think, 4 days maybe. And I'll have 2 tags down there, then come back and got 2 tags for here still. So got a lot of turkey hunting left. thanks for watching. This is our second year in a row getting one together on opening day, so that's pretty cool. It's always fun when they come in the decoys and put on a little bit of a show. We got plenty more turkey hunts coming. Like I said, North Carolina next week, and then the last 2 weeks of the season here in Illinois, we got 2 more tags. So
Yeah, it's always fun getting out here and watching Jamie call these turkeys and whatnot. He's pretty good at it. I've been turkey hunting twice, and
mediocre.
and yeah, either that or I'm the good luck charm. So I don't really
Hey.
know at this point, but whatever we're doing is working.
Whatever works. Get the breast meat.
Yeah,
That's all it's about.
It's all about that meat. So we'll cut it there and hopefully come back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.